Allcraft Roofers is a top choice for residential and commercial general contracting services in northern New Jersey. Our licensed and insured craftsmen specialize in roofing, chimney services, masonry work, siding installation, and gutter services. With decades of experience among our team, you can rest assured we will take great care of you and your property. From new gutters, siding installation, and chimney restoration to residential foundation repair, new roof installation, and 24/7 emergency roof repair, we do it all, and we do it well. Our construction and roofing professionals are GAF Master Elite certified, and we excel at both sloped and flat roofing surfaces for home and office. From the free initial quote until cleanup is complete, our New Jersey Roofing Company aims to provide a smooth, stress-free experience. To learn more about Allcraft Roofers and the services, products, and warranties we offer, don't hesitate to visit our website for more information. If you're ready to receive your free quote for expert home improvement services or roofing in Paramus or throughout northern New Jersey, please give us a call and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for considering Allcraft Roofers to be your preferred contractor.